iPhones are valuable everywhere, and their price is a serious investment. So it's not just about protecting your phone with a screen guard or a case. Today I'm going to show you how to secure your iPhone using 5 essential settings and certain choices so that even if it's lost or stolen, you can stay safe and you have the best chance to getting it back. Let's go through 5 crucial changes you should make to protect your iPhone. First up, turn on Find My iPhone. You will want to enable the Find My network so your iPhone can be found even when it's turned off. Don't forget to activate Send Last Location so you can see it where it was last before it dies. If the stolen iPhone is on and on network, you can view that here. If it's turned off, you can still view that here, but the icon will be black screen. This makes your iPhone much easier to track in case it goes missing. Isn't it cool? Next, let's talk about securing your iPhone while it's locked. Disable access to certain features from the lock screen. Go to Face ID and passcode settings and turn off access to Control Center, Wallet, Siri, Notification Center, and the ability to reply with messages. This ensures your personal information like OTPs, messages, and wallet items aren't accessible to anyone who gets hold of your phone. And importantly, when someone steals your iPhone, they can't put it on airline mode. Also, turn on the toggle for stolen device protection. With stolen device protection, some features and actions have additional security requirements when your iPhone is away from the familiar locations, such as home or work. These requirements help prevent someone who has stolen your device and knows your passcode from making critical changes to your account or device. Now, for even better security, convert your physical SIM card to an eSIM. This makes it impossible for someone to remove the SIM card from the phone, which is a common tactic thieves use to disconnect your phone from the network. Converting your physical SIM card to an eSIM is free and easy. If you can't do it yourself, visit your operator's store. Next, don't forget about iCloud backup. Apple gives you 5 gigabytes of free storage, and this can be used to back up essential data like messages, contacts, and app settings. If your iPhone is lost, you can restore your data to a new device without a problem. So go to iCloud settings from your account and turn on backup this iPhone toggle. Finally, enable content and privacy restrictions in screen time settings. This is a new setting. This adds another layer of security by restricting changes to important settings like location services, accounts, and even your passcode. Even if someone manages to figure out your lock screen password, they won't be able to make major changes unless they know this separate 4-digit code. The settings on which you put the restrictions become grayed out. Cool, isn't it? Most importantly, if your phone is stolen, not just iPhone, don't forget to file a police report. Even if you can track the device using Find My iPhone or any other app, never attempt to recover it on your own. Leave that to the authorities. By following these simple steps, you will give yourself peace of mind, knowing your data and device are secure. Anyways, stay safe and make sure to subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. I will catch you in the next. Until then, peace.